Traveling Tip, and I wanted to show you guys my new Honda 250R Enduro 1983 edition. I haven't seen too many videos on YouTube about it, but I wanted to share it with you guys and tell you that I love it. It's my first dirt bike I've ever purchased. I've had bikes in the past, but nothing like a dirt bike though. I bought it in Gillette, Wyoming, and yeah, I saw it online and I just had to go get it. It's only a 2-owner, and technically I'm the 3rd owner now, but everything's original on it. The guy that had it before had a couple modifications, and I'll show you. He put this on there. I don't think this actually comes on the bike. I could be wrong, but I don't think this comes on there. So it's a pretty sweet bike. So yeah, I've only had it for about a week now, and it's been fun riding this bike out in the hills of South Dakota. So you guys can see Bear Butte in the back, and there's Full Throttle right behind me. So as you guys may or may not know, I've been in South Dakota, Sturgis, South Dakota for about going on 3 months now, I think. Almost 4 months. Out here, you got to have some kind of vehicle. I don't have anything, and I wanted something that I could ride around with my friend Joe. He has a 250 Yamaha, I think it's a WR, and that thing is fast. But obviously I can't keep up with it, but at least I can ride with him and hang out and go out in these fields back here and ride anywhere we want. There's over 600 acres here on the property, so we're allowed to ride anywhere back here. So this Honda 250R has 18,604 miles on it, original miles. I've only put 52 miles on it since I bought it. Has the original key, everything works on it. The lights, everything works. The only thing that doesn't work is the horn, which I'll have to look at. But it is, the button does activate, but it could be something else, like a connection of somewhere. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Like I said, I hadn't seen too many videos on YouTube about this bike. I would like to update this exhaust pipe. I have a feeling it is the original, but whoever had it, they welded the end of it on there, and I want to keep its originality. If I could find a used one that's original, I want to replace it. This one sounds good. I'll let you guys hear it. By the way, this thing starts on 1 kick, so let me get it in neutral. There you go. All right, let me kick it for you. And it is kickstart. Has no electronic starter on it. Has very good sound to it. I love the way it sounds. Has a toolbox, and it actually has the tools inside of it. A helmet holder. I watched this guy on YouTube. He's got a YouTube channel named Adventure Daily, and he bought the new 300 Honda 300, and he's talking about a knocking noise, and a lot of people commented saying it's on every Honda now, meaning 5,000 RPM, but mine knocks when it's not, so it's just because it's probably old. But the guy had it and built a new carburetor on it. And I tell you what, it's a fun bike. Smooth handling, clutch is perfect on it. All I need is a helmet. I don't have a helmet yet. I need to get one. It's very important. All right, you guys drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. All right, you guys take care. This is traveling tip. Bye, you guys.